Jetta's Craft Cottage. Whether you live in the snow and you see these snowflakes all the time, or you live in the warm weather, these are three-dimensional snowflakes that are easy to make. You will need 6 pieces of square paper, a ruler, pencil, scissors, and some type of adhesive like photo splits, double-sided tape, or a glue gun. Let's get started. To make a square paper from your 8.5 by 11 paper, you're going to take one corner and fold it in half at an angle to make your triangle, and then we'll cut right off from here. Now you have a full square. You're going to make 2 center lines. From here, you're going to measure about a 1/2 inch from the line here down to the fold. You can see how the lines meet in the center. Now we're going to cut from the folded edge, and you could cut 2 pieces or 3 pieces at the same time. You want to make 6 of these. Open it up like a diamond, and we're going to start with the center opening space here, and we're going to roll it to this side, put a double-sided tape or a photo split on it, and attach it. Now we're going to flip it over and take the second one, and we're going to roll that one. Flip it over again. Now we're going to attach these. You can attach them with a stapler, white glue, a glue gun, and we're going to put them right at the top here. And we're going to make this giant snowflake. Now you could attach a ribbon. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just an extra day for crafting.